Welcome back. The Kirit Parikh panel bats for liberalization of the gas sector by 2027. Until then, a reduction in the price with an annual escalation for gas from the existing fields. The recommendations are seen as a positive for gas players. Sonal, explain the impact.
Yes, it is a big positive. So first of all, he has spoken about a ban for these companies which are basically selling the administered priced mechanism gas. It has recommended a band of $4 to $6.50 per MMBTU in terms of gas pricing. The ceiling, which is $6.50 per MMBTU. Now remember, the current APM gas price is priced around $8 per MMBTU. So the ceiling that they think should be set is $6.50 per MMBTU, which will gradually be raised by $0.5 every year. So they are keeping a price hike clause in place as well. They are also talking about liberalization of APM gas. That is starting 1st Jan of 2027. That means it will be market determined, no formula in place. And for the difficult fields, it is expecting or talking about liberalization from 1st Jan of 2026. New fields, they will continue to enjoy market freedom as they do, as per the conversation we had with Mr. Kirit Parikh. Now, what is the impact? So there is almost a $2 per MMBTU decline in gas costs according to this particular panel report, and that means it is an implication of 7.5 to 8 rupees per kg in terms of CNG pricing, and it is positive for domestic PNG as well. 87% of overall volumes for IGL come from the domestic and CNG segment, 80% for MGL, and that's why these two stocks are higher. Gujarat Gas absolutely flat. That is because it derives around 33% volumes from the priority segment, 36% so to say. Now retail prices on the back of this from CNG and domestic segment can be cut. For CNG by 7.5 to 8 rupees per kg, for PNG by 4.5 to 5 rupees per SCM. They can go ahead and do that, cut prices, it will improve their volumes. If they don't cut prices, it will improve their margins. So in both the situations, it is positive for city gas distribution companies. The second thing that has happened is there is no change in pricing for new fields. So which are the companies investing in new fields? Is the like of Reliance Industries and ONGC. Since there is still market determination as far as pricing is concerned, it is positive for both these stocks as well.
Thank you very much for explaining that so beautifully. Let's move on now. NCLT has approved Sterling